When everyone is selling, you should buy stocks. You can look for a trend following long. My friends, this is a huge mistake. There can be no talk of any buying. You could accumulate a massive losing position. Big institutional money never buys an asset during a downward trend. Friends, good day. You're on the Old Trader channel. My name is Vladimir Karasev. I'm a private investor. Today we're going to talk about what's happening with Nvidia. We'll look at the chart, talk about potential trade setups, discuss when and why to make trading decisions, and look for opportunities to open a position in this instrument. And most importantly, friends, we'll talk about why you shouldn't buy a stock in a downtrend, why you shouldn't try to buy a stock at the moment when the trend hasn't reversed yet and hasn't entered an upward trajectory. So we'll be discussing all of that in this video. I recommend you watch it until the very end. As always, the most interesting part is at the end. So, friends, before we take a closer look at what's happening in the market right now, I want you to please note something important. After the significant downtrend that we experienced in Nvidia, which lasted for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, for 5 consecutive months, what we see now is a candle like this. In this particular case, the high of the candle body is actually higher than the high of the previous month's candle body. This is a notable change, and it's worth paying attention to as we move forward. The upper wick is also higher than the upper wick of the previous month. That's it. At this point, you can start looking for a potential trade setup to open a position on the long side, meaning look for a long position in this instrument. Notice, after the corrective movement, it's the same thing here. The candle that appeared in October 2024, compared to what we had in September 2024, it shows this correction is over, and you can look for a trend long. And here, it's the same look, right? We have a small correction, then a candle body closes higher than the previous month's candle body high, and the wick goes higher. That's it. At this point, you can look for a long position in this instrument. My friends, this is very important. Once again, why? Because we often hear that when everyone is selling, you should be buying stocks. Why? Because if everyone is selling, then usually most investors are wrong. They don't know what they're doing, but we're smarter than everyone, and we'll buy when most investors are dumping the asset. My friends, that's a huge mistake. A massive mistake. Why? Because when everyone is selling an asset, we have a downward trend. Well, obviously, everyone's selling, the trend is down. But the first rule of the stock market says, trend is your friend, always stay with the trend. Meaning, you should never buy an asset against the trend. And if everyone is selling the asset, the trend is down, and therefore there can be no talk of buying. That's the most important thing. And another thing, very important, friends, I want to say that big money, big capital, big institutional money never buys an asset on a downward trend, only in upward trends. A better tactic is to buy an asset at a higher price, but in a trend, than trying to catch a good price on a downward trend, because nobody knows when the trend will end. A downward trend can last for a month, it can last for 2 months, or it can last for 2 years. And if you buy an asset on a downward trend, you can accumulate a huge losing position, and you can stay in this huge losing position for years. So to summarize, don't make a mistake. Don't open positions on a downward trend. And what's happening now, friends? Let's get back to the current moment, shall we? Notice the candle we see in April relative to what happened in March closes higher with the candle body's maximum values than the March candle. The upper candle wick goes higher than what we had in March. And so now trading this instrument, Nvidia, is only from the long side. So this is what you need to understand, right? Why? Because right now we're near the all-time highs. But traders, friends, have a very good saying, close your eyes and buy highs. In this case, this saying is very appropriate for making trading decisions at the moment and looking for positions only from the long side. If you understood what I've been telling you in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone and successful trades. Talk to you and see you soon.